Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, September the 5th, 2024. Already solved 3 puzzles, 3-star Sudoku, 4-star Sudoku, and a binary. It's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku number 9206. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 17 printed digits. Publisher. Hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10. This one has 17. Don't think it's a 3 stars, but it's indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? Don't think so, but let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. See only one dual box. 1 and a 2, well this box can be 1. The 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. No triple boxes here. How about quarter boxes? See here, a quarter box. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Alright, my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape, the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box, so this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright, the T shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. We have more of these kind of shapes. Let me check. No, only one. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. We have more. No. Oh, correction. Here we have another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? We have an L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? This shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. I believe the Z or the S construction is missing here. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is, why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 3 boxes. So round 1 can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. Then let me see. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be there. Is connected with that box. Should be so a 3. I think this box should be a 4. Because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. These two boxes can be 3. That box can be a 3. So one box left for the 3 in this W area shape supposed to be there. Is connected with that box should be so 3. Then these two boxes can be a 1. So one box left for the 1 in this area supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 and a 5. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Here or there. Well, we have a double 5 there. I cannot place the 5 here. If I place the 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left the 5 in this area is supposed to be there. Is connected with that box should be also 5. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 4. Because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Then, let me see. Come on, come on, come on. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Come on, these 2 boxes can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay. Well, I don't think the 1 should be there. Because if I place the 1 here, this box is connected with that box, should be so 1. But we already have a 1 here in the same area. So not a solution, place the 1 there. The 1 is supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay. Then these 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. Then these 2 boxes can be 5. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Other pair in this area are numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4. This one is connected with that box, should be so 1 and 5. And I need a 4 in this T-shaped area. We have a 4 here or there. Only 2 places left. Now we have a double 4 there. That means that this box can't be 4 anymore. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 is supposed to be here. And the 3 goes there. Alright. Then, I think this box should be a... No. I need to wait. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4. Let me mark those. Here also 2 numbers left, same numbers, 2 and 4, 2 and 4. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1. Can be 2, we have a double 2 there. Can be 3, can be 4, we have a double 4 there. Yeah, 1 digit left, should be the 5. Then these 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Well. This box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I don't think the 1 should be here then. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this is not a solution to place the 1 there. Only place level 1 should be here. Is connected with that box, should be so 1. Then I think this box should be 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 1 and the 2. Well, I need a 5 here. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. 4, 5. Come on. Let me go up. These two boxes, no, these two boxes can be 1. Those two boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3 or 4. Come on. These two boxes, so round 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 1. Yeah, we have a 1 over there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Interesting. Interesting. 1, 2. These two boxes can be 3. So 1 box left with 3 in this L-shaped area is supposed to be here. These two boxes can be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Together with the 4, we have a pair. So the other pair should be the numbers 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. Is connected with that box with 2 and a 5, okay. 3 and a 4 is also connected with that box 3 and a 4. Need a 2 here. Yeah. Okay. This box can be 2, but also that box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there, so the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left, 4 numbers 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5. Well, we have a double 5 there. That means that this box can be a 5 anymore. So only 1 box left and 5 should be there then. Is connected with that box, should be so 5. 1 box left now in this L-shaped area for number 1. I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left, 1 numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Here also 2 numbers left, 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Come on. 1, 2, 3. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1. We have a double 1 there. Can be 2. We have a double 2 there. Can be 3. Should be a 4. Can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. So 2 numbers left. 4 numbers 1 and 2. 1 and a 2. Okay. Yeah. Complicated. Let me think. 2 and 5. 2 and 5. 3 and 4. 3 and 4. 1, 2. I need a 3 here. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 2, 4. 2 or 4. 2 or 4. 2 or 4. 2 or 4. Well, this box cannot be a 2 because we have a 2 in one of those two boxes here. Can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, this box should be a 4, definitely. Okay, 2 and a 4, we have 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Mark those two boxes, elevated 2, we have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. 2 numbers left, 4 numbers 4, and a 5 on the 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. Then these two boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this T-shaped area is supposed to be here, is connected with that box, should be so 5. 1 box left now in this area for number 1. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 2. 3 and a 2, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Mark those two boxes with the 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be 2, so the 3 and the 4 are left. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 3 and a 4 need to wait. 3 and the 4 need to wait. Here we have a 2 and a 5. We have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Is connected with that box, so 2, and I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there, and I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left, 4 numbers 3, and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 and the 4. We have a 4 now, so this can't be a 4 anymore. This will be a 3, and that box will be a 4. Is connected with that box, so 3. 1 box left in this area for number 4. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here, and the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there, finished in 15 minutes. Wow. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 15 minutes, otherwise it will be a 1 star. So let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one, yes I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again tomorrow on Wednesday, so have a great and fantastic Tuesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.